If saving feels impossible, or your money slips away faster than you can save it, you might have a broken strategy. Let's bust the main saving mistakes and show you how to build wealth, starting today. If your savings goal isn't clear, you'll lose motivation and detour to random spending. Fix it. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Write it down. I want $5,000 for a rainy day fund by next December. Now every dollar has a purpose. When your income goes up, do your expenses follow? That's lifestyle creep, and it destroys savings. Plus, sneaky expenses, subscriptions, treats, tech upgrades add up. Solution: track spending monthly. Cut or cap habits before they eat your future. Automate savings so cash goes away before you can spend it. Saving leftovers is a recipe for failure. Flip the script. Pay yourself first. Set up auto transfer on payday into a dedicated savings account. Just $50 a week stacks up surprisingly fast, and you'll adapt to your new spendable balance. Are you missing free money? If your savings sit in a zero-interest account, you're leaving growth on the table. Switch to high-yield accounts to make money while you sleep, and review your strategy every few months. Goals, rates, and priorities all change. Adjust and optimize. Humans love instant pleasure, but procrastinating on savings means missed opportunities. Future guilt replaces today's FOMO. Solution: set micro goals, reward progress. Make saving feel good, track wins, share them with a friend, and celebrate every milestone. To break through and finally save, set a clear, meaningful savings goal. Track every expense, then trim and prioritize. Automate, pay yourself first. Use the best accounts for your goals. Review monthly and adjust when life changes. Stick to this blueprint and watch your savings soar. Which mistake hit home, or fix, will you put into action now? Share below. Subscribe for smarter money tips every week, because your wealth is in your hands and the fix starts today.